Have you ever felt like the chaos of life was swallowing you whole? Like no matter how hard you try, there's always something pulling you away from peace. What if I told you that chaos isn't your enemy? It's your teacher. Life isn't about erasing chaos, it's about learning to find balance within it. True balance isn't stillness, it's the ability to move gracefully, even in the midst of storms. Let's explore this journey together. I'll guide you through profound steps to embrace the chaos, find harmony, and reconnect with the flow of life. We'll draw wisdom from some of the greatest minds, Carl Jung, Bob Proctor, Rumi, and ground their teachings in the universal truths that resonate with your soul. Let's first look at the nature of chaos and balance. Chaos is the raw energy of life, the force of change that challenges us to grow. It's inescapable, but it's also transformative. Rumi, the Sufi poet and mystic, reminds us, don't be satisfied with stories, how things have gone with others. Unfold your own myth. Chaos is not here to break you, it's here to make you. It's your call to rise above, to find your center even when the world feels like it's falling apart. Balance doesn't mean avoiding chaos, it means learning to thrive within it. Let's uncover how. Step 1. Confront your shadow. Carl Jung, one of the most influential psychologists of the 20th century, revolutionized our understanding of the mind. He introduced the concept of the shadow self, the hidden parts of us we deny or suppress. He said, until you make the unconscious conscious, it will direct your life, and you will call it fate. Think of the shadow as a locked room within you. It holds your fears, insecurities, and unhealed wounds. Most people avoid it because it's uncomfortable, but ignoring it doesn't make it go away, it makes it stronger. Balance starts by unlocking that door. Look inward. What parts of yourself have you been avoiding? Is it fear of failure? Pain from the past? Unspoken anger? Facing your shadow isn't about judgment, it's about compassion. Write it down. Journal about your fears and your struggles. When you bring these into the light, they lose their power. Imagine the courage of looking into the mirror and embracing every part of yourself, even the messy ones. That's where true growth begins. Step 2. Embrace duality. Balance is born from integrating opposites. Life isn't just light or dark, it's both. Joy and sorrow, work and rest, chaos and calm, they all coexist. Taoist philosophy teaches us about yin and yang, the interplay of opposites that creates harmony. Bob Proctor, a modern pioneer in personal development, said, balance isn't something you find, it's something you create. Take a moment to reflect. Where is your life out of balance? Are you overworking, leaving no time for rest? Are you caught in your head, ignoring your intuition? To embrace duality, you must honor both sides of life. Schedule moments of stillness alongside productivity. Allow yourself to grieve losses, but also celebrate victories. The key is not to choose one over the other, but to find the harmony between them. Imagine standing in the center of a seesaw, not clinging to either side, but embracing the gentle movement of both. Step 3. Cultivate stillness in movement. Have you ever noticed how a tree stands tall during a storm? Its roots keep it grounded, while its branches sway with the wind. You too can find stillness within chaos. Blaise Pascal, the philosopher, wrote, all of humanity's problems stem from man's inability to sit quietly in a room alone. Stillness doesn't mean doing nothing, it means being present. It's about anchoring yourself in the moment, no matter what's happening around you. When chaos feels overwhelming, pause, breathe. Place your hand on your heart and remind yourself, I am here, I am safe, I am enough. Meditation is a powerful way to cultivate this stillness. Even a few minutes of focused breathing can reset your mind. Imagine each breath as an anchor, keeping you steady as the waves of life crash around you. In stillness, you discover the calm within your soul, a calm no chaos can shake. Step 4. Simplify to clarify. When life feels chaotic, it's often because we're carrying too much. Too many commitments, too many distractions, too much mental clutter. Simplicity isn't about doing less, it's about doing what matters. Thich Nhat Hanh, a Zen master, said, smile, breathe, and go slowly. Take a moment to declutter, both physically and mentally. What's taking up space in your life that no longer serves you? Maybe it's a toxic relationship, a draining habit, or even a negative belief about yourself. Let it go. Imagine your life as a garden. Pull out the weeds so the flowers can bloom. Simplicity doesn't just clear your mind, it creates space for joy. When you focus on what truly matters, you feel lighter, freer, and more connected to your purpose. Step 5. Connect with nature. Nature is balance in its purest form. The rising and setting of the sun, the changing seasons, the flow of rivers, everything in nature reflects harmony amidst movement. When life feels chaotic, step outside. Feel the earth beneath your feet, the wind on your face. Let nature remind you that balance is already within you. John Muir, a naturalist and mystic, said, "In every walk with nature, one receives far more than he seeks." Spending time in nature isn't just healing, it's transformative. It grounds you, calms your mind, and realigns your energy. Even a few moments under the open sky can shift your perspective and bring clarity to the chaos. Step 6. Build a routine that honors you. A routine isn't about rigid schedules, it's about creating rhythms that support your well-being. Marcus Aurelius, the Stoic philosopher, wrote, "You have power over your mind, not outside events." Realize this, and you will find strength. Start your day with intention. Maybe it's journaling, meditation, or simply taking a deep breath before diving into the day. End your day with reflection. Celebrate your wins, no matter how small, and release what didn't serve you. A routine that honors your values keeps you steady, no matter how chaotic life feels. Step 7. Trust the process. Finally, remember this. Balance isn't about perfection, it's about flow. The caterpillar must dissolve into chaos before it becomes a butterfly. The universe works the same way. Trust that every challenge, every storm, every moment of chaos is shaping you. The divine energy that flows through all things is guiding you toward growth, even when you can't see it yet. Finding balance in chaos isn't about escaping life's challenges. It's about embracing them with grace, courage, and clarity. By confronting your shadow, embracing duality, cultivating stillness, simplifying your life, connecting with nature, and building meaningful routines, you align yourself with the natural harmony of the universe. So, the next time life feels overwhelming, remember this: chaos is not your enemy, it's your teacher. Balance is already within you. Trust yourself, trust the process, and rise above. You were made for this.